Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look, this super cute flat twist out, well not twist out, but flat twist style. I used to do this style a lot when I was transitioning, and ever since I became like fully natural, I haven't really done this style a lot, so why not do it again? I know sometimes it's hard trying to get the perfect flat twist, especially, for example, I'm right-handed, so it's really easy for me to do this side, but on the left side, it's just like a major struggle, and it's hard to get both of the twists to look right. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do in order to get both of these twists looking exactly the same. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so I already parted my hair off camera because it would just take me forever and 19 days to try to do it on camera. So I did like a little slide. So I did like a little side part, and then the back is just straight. Well, as straight as I could get it. So bam. Just gonna put some oil on my scalp real quick because it's feeling a little dry. And just in case you were wondering, this is grapeseed oil. So I'm going to start on this side because it's just easier for me because I'm right-handed, and it's just easier for me to do this side first. I am just going to use my leave-in treatment from Lotta Body. I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. I don't want to saturate my hair, but I want to put enough to where it's actually going to condition it. I'm also just going to put a little bit of oil. And I'm going to take my paddle brush and just brush this on through. Okay, so what I like to do next, I like to put a little bit of edge control on the top right here and a little bit right here to make it lay flat when I start twisting, and some in the back. So I start with just a regular twist in the front, just taking 2 strands of hair and making a regular twist. What I do next is I take some hair and I add it to one of the pieces that I have. I'm moving the rest of the hair back so it's not in my way. And then I just go ahead and twist this, a regular twist with the hair I already added. And I just continue to do that step. So I add some hair to one of the pieces I already have in my hand, move the hair back so it's not in my way, and do a twist. I'm adding some hair, and then I move the rest of the hair back so it's not in my way, and then twist it. Your fingers are going to be so strong after this, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. So now that I got this twist out the way, what I like to do is wrap the hair around my finger, twist. Wrap the hair around my finger, twist. Wrap, twist. Wrap, twist. And I like to do this because it makes my twist more secure. So wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist. And this is what it looks like so far. So if you don't like this puffy, you don't have to worry about it. We could fix that at the end. All right, and I know I got glitter on my face. It's because we were putting up our Christmas tree, so just glitter all over me. Don't judge me. Also, if you want your hair to lay more flat, like right here, you could put some Eco Styler gel or one of your favorite gels right here. It's not that big of a deal to me, but if you want like a more neater, sleeker, slick look, then that's what you could do. So for the opposite side, so, okay. Basically, so I'm gonna show you how my hands are, and maybe that will help explain it, because I can show you better than I could tell you, but I'm gonna try to tell you while I'm showing you. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of hair in the front. It's like you're going to do it in reverse. So instead of me twisting over like this, like I normally would, I usually do left over right. I'm just gonna do right over left. So now I got the hair in my other hand. And I'm just gonna add some hair to the other piece. And so I added some hair, then took it away like I did on the other one, like push that back, and I'm twisting it. So it's hard, but you just gotta get used to it. So this hand is gonna stay up the whole time, and that's where you get your natural hair muscles from, by doing this. So I twisted it, and I'm holding this in place. So I'm adding some hair, moving this back. So twisting it while I'm still holding this in place and bringing this down. So I'm adding some hair, moving that back, bringing this over and twisting. So add some hair, moving that back, and I'm twisting. And while I'm twisting, I'm just making sure my hand stays flat on the hair that's already completed so that it could stay down. So I'm just using my other hand to make sure all my hair is down. Adding some hair, moving this out of my way. And twisting. And y'all, you do not have to rush this. That is the biggest mistake I made when I first started doing my flat twists, is that I was trying to rush it, and at the end I would just do anything. So take your time. You got this, girl. So adding some hair. Okay. Adding some hair, moving that out the way. And twisting. Adding some hair. Twisting. Adding some hair, moving that out the way. And twisting. child. So I'm just going to wrap this around my finger and right over left. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I twisted it all up, so I'm just going to bring it over. So I can't see the back of my head right now, but I'm gonna bobby pin this like this. And I'm gonna cover this one with this one. Let me put my other earring in while I'm looking crazy. And as I stated earlier, if you would like for this part to be a little bit more slicker, more sleek or whatever, then you could just use a gel like Eco Styler gel and then just bobby pin the remaining hair down into here. And then you will be all set. But that is basically it, y'all. I hope this video helped on how to get 2 matching flat twists. If you liked the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.